Can you believe one glass of this drink could transform your health? Beet juice is packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber to keep your digestion healthy. Drink it daily, and you'll boost blood circulation, support healthy blood pressure, increase stamina and energy, and even improve brain function. Plus, it's full of antioxidants. The taste may take some getting used to, but the benefits are worth every sip. If you love simple health tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. First up, hydration. Water is literally the oil for my body's engine. Cartilage is about 80% water, so if I'm not sipping enough, my joints start to feel dry and creaky. I aim for at least 8 cups a day and more if I'm active or sweating. Next, I focus on movement, swimming, cycling, brisk walking. They keep my joints lubricated and my ligaments strong without extra strain. I add a few minutes of morning stretching to keep flexibility in check. What about food? Omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, since they help fight inflammation. Collagen-rich choices. Bone broth collagen supplement can also support cartilage health. Vitamin C, peppers, oranges, strawberries. It's vital for collagen production and tissue repair. Finally, I pay attention to my posture and avoid overdoing repetitive movements. If I'm working at a desk, I take stretch breaks and check my setup to keep my joints happy. The bottom line, small, mindful changes make a huge impact on joint health. By staying hydrated, moving with intention, fueling my body right, and listening to it, I'm building a foundation for an active, pain-free life. What's one habit you'll start today? Let me know in the comments.